Okay, I quickly painted this car, the quarter panel and the rear bumper of it, and put it together and drove it down here to Galveston on its first road trip. I just finished putting it together Friday, 2 days ago, and it's done pretty good. This, I painted it late at night, that quarter. I didn't even blend the door or anything. The color matched pretty well. I still had a little bit of prime up there that I should have gone a little further and covered that prime. Otherwise, that would have matched better. Car drove just fine. My trunk lid, I had it fitting really well until I bolted the hinges on it. My right hinge is a little bit bent, so I need to get another hinge for it so that will line up better. See, I've still got a gap here, but that's on this right hinge. It made a good car. Got my back seat all put back in. Like I said, we're on a road trip, so there's junk in the floorboards, sand. I'll take and clean the car out better once I get through with this trip. Oh man, it's a nice car. It's real powerful. Gets decent gas mileage. I'm happy. Still got more to do. Like I said, I got to straighten out that trunk hinge, and I got a few other dents that I may take out later and reshoot. It's made a good drive down here. Check out this. Somebody drove their car off of the seawall. Think they brought a big enough wrecker? Wow, I don't get this. Jeez, how many license plates do they need? They got 2 on that car. Well, anyway, this has been a fun trip, and I've enjoyed building this car. I needed the distraction at this time in my life. Thanks for watching.